how to log out of all of the Roblox sessions in your Roblox account. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can easily log out of all of the currently active Roblox sessions from your Android device. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your Roblox application, and once the Roblox application opens up, you will see an interface like this. Now in this interface, simply click onto this more option at the bottom right, and it will open this particular page. Now in this page, simply scroll down and click onto the settings button, and under the settings button you need to click onto this security option, and under the security option it will open the security page. And if you will scroll it down, you can see this option that says log out of all other sessions. So simply click onto this log out of all other sessions, and then it will give you a warning that says you will be logged out of all other sessions, are you sure? So simply click onto this log out button, and now your Roblox account will have been successfully logged out of other sessions apart from this one. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.